Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over s minus 1, capital B over s plus number 3 in here. Later that we do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about s plus 3. So capital A multiplied by s plus 3. About this one, it is missing about s minus 1. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s, we have a plus b because s multiplied by a, b multiplied by s. About the numbers, we have 3 with number a, we have 3a. Negative number 1 with b, we have negative b. And now we need to compare coefficients. About s, we have 3. So number 3 equals to a plus b. About the numbers, we have number 5. So number 5 equals to 3a minus b. And now we create the system of equations. And now we can find the solutions of a and b. So a equals to number 2, b equals to number 1. And now we put a and b going here. So a equals to number 2, b equals to number 1. And now we have the final answer in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.